A very good morning to all of you. Students, how are you? Hope you all will fine at your home. Today we will learn articles. Now you will think, what is articles? Articles are a and an. Yani a and an are articles. We use an before words starting with the vowel sound, and we use a before words starting with the consonant sound. We use a and an with singular nouns. We say a boy, but we cannot say a boys. We can say a boy, but we cannot say a boys. We can say an orange, but not an oranges. Okay. Now you will think, what is vowel and what is consonant? So students, vowels are, do you know how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. The word that starting with the vowel sound, we use an, like an orange, an umbrella, an ice cream. Consonant. Now we will talk about consonant. In our alphabets, except these alphabets, all alphabets are called consonant. So consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants and these are vowels. Students, we do not use the article a and an before names of people. For example, Tania, Rohit, Simran. We do not write a Tania, a Rohit, a Simran. It's a wrong. We do not put a or an before the names of people. यानी लोगों के नाम से पहले हम a या an नहीं लगाते. We usually do not use the article a or an in front of names of villages, towns, cities or countries. For example, Russia. India, like A Russia, an India, A Kolkata. No, it's a wrong. We do not use the article a or an in front of name of any village, town, cities or countries. Okay. Now look these words like HOUR, HONEST, honest. Here we find first letter is consonant, but its sound is R. Honest, R A, and in R H is silent. In honest, H is silent. When we say these words, H is silent. R honest. R is sound with A and honest is sound with O. And as we know, A and O is a vowel, and before a vowel sound we always use the article N, like an, R, an, honest. Now read these words UNIVERSITY, university. UNICORN, unicorn. Did you notice that in these words U makes the same sound as the Y in U? जैसे U में YOU, U में Y का साउंड य होता है. As it is here, we notice same sound in university and unicorn. Here you make consonant sounds. So A is used before these words like a university, a unicorn. Okay, students, we always use a or an before the word as they start with a vowel or consonant sound. Now we will use a or an correctly in the blanks below. Dash girl found. So what will come here? G is a consonant. So before consonant we use article a. A girl found dash small bag, and small begin with consonant letter S. So we will write here A. A girl found a small bag on the street. Street means सड़क. एक लड़की ने फाउंड यानी पाया एक स्मॉल बैग यानी छोटा बैग ऑन द स्ट्रीट यानी सड़क पर. एक लड़की ने सड़क पर एक छोटा बैग पाया. शी टुक इट होम. वो उसे अपने घर ले आई. शी स्टडीड फॉर डैश आर. शी मीन्स वह स्टडीड यानी पढ़ती रही फॉर डैश आर. तो व्हाट विल कम हियर? हियर लुक, H is a consonant but its sound is R, or A is a vowel. So we will write here AN. वो एक घंटे तक पढ़ती रही यानी उसने एक घंटे तक पढ़ा. She had dash exam, और in exam E letter is a vowel. So we will write here AN. She had an exam. उसकी एक परीक्षा थी. After days R or R, before R we will write the article N. After an hour यानी 1 घंटे के बाद she looked inside the bag. She looked यानी उसने देखा. Inside means अंदर. The bag. 1 घंटा पढ़ाई करने के बाद उसने अपने बैग के अंदर देखा. She found उसने पाया. क्या पाया? Dash orange. So O letter. O letter is a vowel. So we will write here the article N. ANN. She found an orange dash mobile phone. Mobile phone. तो M letter is a consonant. So we will write here a mobile phone. यानी उस बैग में उसको एक ऑरेंज मिला और एक मोबाइल फ़ोन मिला. Dash air ticket. Air. A is a vowel. So we will write here an air ticket and dash book. And books. B letter is a consonant. So we will write here A. यानी उस बैग में उसे एक ऑरेंज, एक मोबाइल फ़ोन, एक एयर टिकट और एक बुक मिली. There was also dash एड्रेस बुक. उसमें एक एड्रेस की बुक भी थी. In address, A letter is a vowel, so we will write here ANN. There was also an address book. यानी उस बैग में एक एड्रेस बुक भी थी. यानी उसमें पता लिखा हुआ था. The girl was dash honest person. He looked honest. This word start with consonant letter H, but its sound is O. Honest. And O is a vowel. So we will write here ANN. The girl was an honest person. वो जो लड़की थी वो बहुत ही एक ईमानदार व्यक्ति थी. What do you think? तुम क्या सोचते हो? She did with the bag. What did you think? आपको क्या लगता है? She did with the bag. उसने उस बैग के साथ क्या किया हो? So now when we will meet in our online session, you told me what did that girl do with the bag. If she is honest, so what will she do with that bag? Hope you enjoyed this video based on article A and N. Goodbye everyone.